We all know that burping is one of the natural phenomenon which happens just after having enough meal. It is one of the common indication of the body to show that the stomach is full and we need not fill the stomach much more. But when burping happens too many times in a day such that you are not able to do any of your work without a burp, then there is some problem in the digestive system. In this video, let us look into the things as to why excessive burping happens, and also we will consider the treatments which are given in different systems of medicine and try to find out which one of these can be the best one for us to have relief from this problem. How does burping actually happen? It's quite simple. Whenever we eat food, some air gets into the stomach and this air comes out back in the form of burp whenever the stomach is completely filled. Burping is also known as belching. Now, excessive belching happens because there is excessive swallowing of air into the stomach. According to the modern medicine, our lifestyle has main impact on the digestive system. Eating too fast, drinking too fast, having lot of carbonated drinks, having chewing gums, all these tend to accumulate a lot of air in the stomach. As well as other digestive disorders such as chronic acidity, too much gas inside the intestines, too much bacteria inside the intestines, or eating food which the body cannot digest in an easy way can also lead to burping. Now, when it comes to medications, there are no special medications for belching as such. The only best solution that can be there for excessive burping is changing the lifestyle, that is eating habit, drinking habits, etc. But if there is acidity due to which excessive burping is happening, then the doctor will give primary treatment for acidity and the excessive burping will get resolved by itself. Regarding the treatment of acidity, I have spoken in the previous video and the link of the video has been given in the description box below. If there are any other digestive disorders due to which burping is happening, then these disorders will be treated at first and then the burping will go away by itself. Ayurveda basically explains about the imbalance that has been created in the body. The basic imbalance is in the digestion. Slow and heavy digestion of the food is taking place. If we look at Kapha dosha, there is excess of mucus getting accumulated inside the body because there is slow and heavy digestion of the food. And the solution offered for this is your doctor might prescribe you some aromatic spices which will dry and destroy the mucus that has been accumulated in the body. The aromatic spices include cardamom, lemon balm, mint leaves, etc. And the next one is Trikatu. Trikatu is a formulation of 3 herbs basically. It will also help to break down the mucus and flush the mucus out of the body. And next one is hing. Hing has been most commonly known for its medicinal properties. It will destroy the excess mucus present in the body and help to relieve Kapha dosha. And along with that, for soggy stomach, that means for a very wet stomach which has been created due to heavy digestion, bitter orange peel and khichdi, which is one of the North Indian dishes, have been prescribed for this. They will clear the stomach of the food. And in case of Vata dosha, that means there is problem of indigestion. The food is not getting digested properly at all. Here we get some smelly burps and the smell will be kind of rotten. The solution which is offered here is simple. Switch your food to easily digestible foods. It includes rice, it includes fruits, especially in fruits. Ripe banana has been known for easy digestion. Sweet potatoes also come into this category, and there are many other such foods. So if there is Pitta dosha, that means there is acid reflux, also commonly known as acidity. In this also the burps smell like metallic smells, And yes, as mentioned before, if there is acidity problem, this problem will be treated first and then the burps will automatically get relieved by themselves. Now, one of the most cautious thing about this video is that anything just that has been suggested in this video should not be eaten. You have to analyze which is the actual problem in your body and then you have to try to take the foods. Otherwise, the best way is to go to an Ayurvedic doctor such that he will diagnose the proper problems which are actually present and then give treatment accordingly. In joke therapy, this point which I have shown in the picture, if correct and proper pressure is applied at this point, then it will help to correct the acidity problem and thereby burping which is produced due to acidity will get resolved by itself. If we consider homeopathic system of treatment, then basically two medicines are prescribed, that is Carbo Vegetabalis and Biocombination 25. Other medicines might be prescribed according to the symptoms we have or other problems we have. So this is the most basic information about the treatment of burping. So the final lesson is eat healthy and stay healthy. Hope this helped all of you, and with this I would like to end the video. Thank you very much.